Hey guys, today we just have a quick one. This is a Timex Ironman heart monitor watch. I did a previous video on it. I'll see if I can link a card to it so you guys can check out that video. Gave this watch to my son, and he uses it for kayaking, swimming, and such, and found out that this one had a really bad leak. Turns out this gasket was pretty messed up, not making the right contact in the channel. You can see here that it's struggling to find its groove and all the way around this watch. So just wanted to put a quick one out there to show you, hey, make sure you get these in right before you put it all back together, or you're going to end up with a mess on your hands. Now luckily this is an Ironman watch, and what I love about these, this entire thing filled up with water. I wish I had a picture of it. I don't, but it was full of water. I drained the water, put it in a windowsill to dry for a few hours, and the thing's working again. So great watches, even when they're mistreated by bad gaskets. So the difficulty with this one is the odd shape of it. You know, you can buy a group of gaskets, different millimeter sizes that are round. This one obviously has this unique shape that is difficult to mimic with just a round gasket. So what I'll probably end up doing on this is getting it to sit all back in here. I'll probably get some silicone grease actually and put it in the channel just to get this to sit in there and stick like so before I go to put the back on there. So, and for those who don't know, this is the silicone grease I'm talking about. It's basically put on O-rings in plumbing just to make them seal better. So I probably won't do it on camera, but I'm going to take dabs of this and put it in at different points along the channel where this gasket fits, just so I can hold it in place, since it wants to pop like right here in this corner, and when I move that, the rest of it moves. So I'm going to hopefully hold it in place, get the back on, and we'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I used my trusty jeweler's screwdriver to smear in the silicone grease in the channel. Careful not to get any of it on the electronics. So now I'm going to try to place this gasket back in, see if I can get it to stick. Okay guys, we're going to continue to get the back on, which I'll probably just cut out. You guys can do 4 screws. Like I say in all my videos, we usually go diagonally just to try to get this as flat as possible. And just another tip, a quick way you can tell that your back's on. These things have a tendency to sit on, I'll call it on top of the back. So kind of look for that. You know, make sure you're pressed down good. Check it all the way around. This one looks much better previously. Now it is up and running. Like I said, the only victim out of this entire thing was the previous battery. These take the 2025, but it's running along fine. Like I said, that's why I love these Ironman watches. They truly take a beating. This one was full of water. You could actually see the water line right here when this happened, but we're back. Anyway, quick tip on how to get those gaskets in, make them stay in. Just be careful not to get that on your electronics, but that's how I do it. Let me know how you do it, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. We'll see you next time.